How often should the debris filter of a Samsung top-loading washing machine be cleaned?
Hello, dear viewers. Today we'll be talking about a key component of your Samsung top-loading washing machine, the debris filter. This is a crucial part of your machine that helps keep your clothes clean and your machine running smoothly. Regular maintenance of your debris filter is essential to ensuring the long-term health of your machine.
What is the debris filter?
The debris filter in your Samsung top-loading washing machine is a component that catches and collects lint, coins, and other small items that might otherwise clog up the machine's workings. This helps to prevent drain issues and extends the overall lifespan of your washing machine.
How often should I clean the debris filter?
This is the crucial question that many people ask. According to Samsung, you should clean your debris filter every 2 weeks, depending on the frequency of use. If you use your washing machine daily, it might be best to clean the filter weekly.
How can I clean the debris filter?
Cleaning the debris filter is a simple process. 1. First, unplug your washing machine for safety. 2. Then, locate the debris filter, usually found at the lower front or rear of the machine. 3. Remove the debris filter by turning it counterclockwise. 4. Rinse the filter under running water until it's clean. 5. After cleaning, replace the filter by turning it clockwise. Remember, regular maintenance can help prevent issues down the line. And there you have it. By properly maintaining the debris filter on your Samsung top-loading washing machine, you can ensure that your machine continues to function optimally and your clothes come out clean. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy washing!